Hello everyone, in this video I will be show you how you can make a Google Drive public. So it's super simple, just going to select your folder you want to make it public. So for instance, just right click and just going to select share, and then just add the people you want to give access, and you can select general access for restricted or anyone with the link. So if you select restricted, only people with access can open with the link. And if you select anyone with the link, so anyone on the internet with the link can view it. And you can also select the rules you want, that's viewer, commenter, or editor you want. So just going to tap on done. So that's how to make a Google Drive public. It's so simple. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.